How many of us have pain weighing us down each day, limiting our more active pursuits and destroying our focus? No one is immune to the sensation of pain. We have all been stung by a bee or stubbed a toe, had a fall, or bumped our head. This type of pain cannot be prevented. What can be prevented is prolonged suffering, progressive decline, and withdrawal from activities we love. Even in the face of alarming doctor visits and prolonged inactivity, there is still a path to effective management and recovery. What frees some of agony? What keeps others in agony? Part of the answer is within you. We are healing machines, and armed with the simplest of tools, chronic pain and restriction can be prevented. Very basic tools can mean the difference between relying on medications or therapy and enjoying the freedom of unrestricted movement. Your new skills combined with this knowledge, practically applied, will enhance your personal comfort. In our final section, we provide guidance on the origins of pain, different types of pain, and best practices for management. We hope to leave you armed with the skills to unburden yourself from the pain that is weighing you down.